When we talk about modern infantry firepower, one weapon stands out as the backbone of a squad's offensive and defensive capability, the squad automatic weapon, commonly known as the SAW. This weapon is not just another rifle on the battlefield, it is the system that allows a small unit of soldiers to dominate terrain, suppress enemy movement, and control the pace of combat. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the squad automatic weapon so vital, how it works, and why it remains one of the most important tools in modern armed forces. The concept behind the squad automatic weapon is simple but powerful. In a standard infantry squad, most soldiers carry rifles designed for precision and controlled fire. But in combat, there are moments when precision is not enough. When an enemy force needs to be pinned down, when movement must be covered, or when a position must be defended under pressure, a high volume of sustained fire becomes essential. That's where the SAW comes in. One of the most well-known examples is the M249, widely used by the United States military and several allied nations. Chambered typically in 5.56 x 45 mm NATO, it provides a balance between firepower and portability. Unlike heavier machine guns mounted on vehicles or tripods, the squad automatic weapon is designed to be carried and operated by a single soldier, allowing it to move with the squad during assaults, patrols, and defensive operations. The defining characteristic of a squad automatic weapon is its ability to deliver sustained automatic fire. It usually feeds from a belt of ammunition rather than a standard rifle magazine, although some models can accept both. Belt-fed systems allow for a larger ammunition capacity, reducing the frequency of reloads and ensuring continuous suppressive fire when it's needed most. This suppressive capability is critical. In real combat situations, suppressive fire doesn't necessarily aim to hit the enemy directly. Instead, it forces them to take cover, limits their movement, and buys precious seconds for friendly forces to maneuver. From a design standpoint, the SAW bridges the gap between a rifle and a heavy machine gun. It is heavier than a standard infantry rifle, often weighing around 7 to 8 kilograms depending on configuration, but lighter and more mobile than medium machine guns like the M240. Most squad automatic weapons are gas-operated and air-cooled, with quick-change barrels to prevent overheating during extended firing. The quick-change barrel system is a crucial feature. Sustained automatic fire generates extreme heat, and the ability to swap out a hot barrel in seconds ensures the weapon remains operational in intense firefights. Ergonomics and modularity have also evolved over time. Modern variants often feature adjustable stocks, Picatinny rails for optics, and improved grips. Optical sights enhance accuracy and target acquisition, especially in low-light conditions. Some models are equipped with bipods for stable firing in the prone position, while others can be mounted on tripods for more static defensive roles. Training plays a huge role in maximizing the effectiveness of the squad automatic weapon. The gunner must not only master the mechanics of the weapon but also understand tactical employment. Proper positioning is essential. The SAW gunner is often placed where he can provide overlapping fields of fire and support the squad's maneuver elements. Communication between the squad leader and the SAW gunner determines when to initiate suppressive fire and when to conserve ammunition. Another critical factor is ammunition management. While belt-fed systems provide high capacity, they also add weight. A SAW gunner typically carries several hundred rounds of ammunition, significantly increasing his load. In many squads, assistant gunners help carry additional ammunition and spare barrels. This teamwork ensures the weapon remains effective throughout prolonged engagements. Over the years, various militaries have adopted their own versions of squad automatic weapons. Some favor lighter calibers like 5.56 mm for better mobility and ammunition compatibility with standard rifles. Others explore intermediate calibers to increase range and stopping power. The ongoing evolution of battlefield requirements has led to newer systems with improved reliability, reduced weight, and enhanced durability. The tactical role of the SAW cannot be overstated. In offensive operations, it provides covering fire as riflemen advance. In defensive positions, it becomes the anchor point of resistance, laying down sustained fire to repel enemy assaults. During urban combat, its high rate of fire can control alleyways, corridors, and rooftops. In open terrain, it can suppress enemy positions across fields and ridgelines. However, like any weapon system, the squad automatic weapon has its limitations. Its weight can fatigue the gunner over long patrols. Sustained fire can lead to overheating if not managed properly. And in close quarters combat, maneuvering a heavier weapon can be more challenging compared to a compact rifle. Modern military doctrine continuously adapts to balance these strengths and weaknesses. Technological advancements are shaping the future of squad-level automatic weapons. Lightweight materials, improved recoil systems, and advanced optics are enhancing performance. Some next-generation systems aim to combine the firepower of traditional saws with reduced recoil and improved accuracy. The integration of suppressors to reduce muzzle flash and sound signature is also becoming more common, improving survivability and concealment on the battlefield. Beyond the hardware, the psychological impact of a squad automatic weapon is significant. The distinctive sound of sustained automatic fire can intimidate and disorient opposing forces. This psychological effect adds another layer to its tactical value. When used effectively, it can shift momentum in a firefight and give friendly forces the upper hand. In many ways, the squad automatic weapon represents the evolution of infantry warfare. It reflects the need for balance between mobility and firepower, between precision and suppression. As warfare continues to evolve with drones, advanced communications, and precision-guided munitions, the basic requirement for a soldier on the ground to control space with effective firepower remains unchanged. The saw is more than just a piece of equipment, it is a force multiplier. It empowers a small group of soldiers to hold ground against larger forces, to maneuver under fire, and to execute coordinated tactics. Its presence within a squad changes how that unit fights, moves, and survives. For anyone interested in military technology, understanding the squad automatic weapon offers insight into the core principles of modern infantry tactics. It highlights how engineering, logistics, and battlefield experience combine to create a weapon that serves as the heartbeat of a fighting unit. As long as infantry squads remain the foundation of ground combat operations, the squad automatic weapon will continue to play a central role. It stands as a symbol of sustained firepower, teamwork, and tactical dominance at the smallest yet most critical level of warfare, the squad. If you found this deep dive informative and want to explore more about military equipment, tactics, and technology, make sure to stay tuned. There's always more to uncover in the world of modern armed forces, and the story of the squad automatic weapon is just one chapter in the ongoing evolution of battlefield power.